Good morning, children. Now the turn for exercise 20D, that is based upon the area of triangle. So as we have different formulas for rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, so we are having the formula for triangle also. So what is the formula for area of triangle? Half into base into height. So half into base into height. When we will say half into base into height, what do you mean by half into base into height? Let's see. Here in this figure you can see ABC is a triangle where BC is a base and AD, that is the height. Height means the perpendicular line from the opposite vertex is known as the height. And here you are free to choose base anyone. If I choose BC as base, then AD is an height. If I choose AB as a base, then some line which is 90 degree, that CE you can say, is the height. And if I choose AC as a base, so this will be my height, F. So we are having three different formulas for this question. One, half into BC into AD. Another formula, half into AB into respective perpendicular line CE, or you can say half into AC into BF. Because we are having three different sides, so we can choose any of them as the base. So half into base into height. And if it is a right angle triangle, like this, so here these two are known as the legs of the triangles, legs of the right angle triangle, and this is known as the hypotenuse. Our side opposite to 90 degrees is always known as hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. So these are known as the leg of the right angle. So this is one of its is base and another one is height. So we can say area of a right angle triangle is half into product of its leg. And another formula, this is for the equilateral triangle. If we are having three different if we are having an equilateral triangle, that means all the three different sides are equal, then it is known as the equilateral triangle. Then the formula is how much? Root 3 by 4 a square, and we have to take the value of root 3 as equal to 1.73. There is one more formula of finding the area of triangle. If all the three sides length is being given, that is known as the Heron's formula. Heron's formula says area of a triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. The sum of three sides of a triangle is known as the perimeter. So I will add all these three terms and I will divide it by 2. Then this is the thing. So in total we are having 4 different formulas in this particular exercise. The first one, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Second one, if right angle triangle is given, half into product of its legs. Area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square, and if ABC are the sides of a triangle ABC, then area of a triangle is given by S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That is known as the Heron's formula. Right? Now we can go for the exercise question. Exercise questions are very easy, and I have solved for you, and I will send the PDF as I have done for the other exercises also. So let's go for the first question. The first question says find the area of a triangle in which base and height is given. Children, the first you have to remember the both of the units should be same. If both of the units are same, just apply on the formula. So here you go like base is equal to 42 centimeter, height is equal to 25 centimeter given. Area of a triangle is given by half into base into height. So just applying the values, putting in the formula, we get the value. Similarly, in the second question, base is given 16.8 meter and height is 75 centimeter. As I told you, we have to have the same unit for both base and height. So I have converted height into meter, so area is equal to half into this. Here also this is base is given in 8 in dm and height is in centimeter. I converted both into the cm. Now in question number 2, height of the triangle is not given, area is given and base is given. So in this formula only if 3 things are unknown and 2 is given, I can easily find out the third one. So area is equal to half into base into height can be mentioned at 72, area tha, base is equal to 16 and height we don't know. So applying on this formula we can get. Similarly in question number 3 also, height is not given, area we have been given, base then again we can find out the area. In question number 4, base is not given, area and height is given, we can find that. Okay. And in question number 6, they have been given, this is a right angle triangle and if one of the side, so it is not mentioned ki AB or BC, anyone can be of length 14.7 because they are saying ki one of its leg is equal to this. So if let BC is equal to 14.8, so we have to find that AB. So AB कितने के बराबर, just putting on the formula, half into base into height, area mentioned है, base is been mentioned and height we don't know, just applying the formula. In question number 7, children, the legs, this is this question number 7. Find the area of a right triangle whose base is given as 1.2 meter and height is equal to 3.7 meter. So we don't know the height. So what I do, by the applying the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the height. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular per base square. We don't know the value of AB. So AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. Applying on this, we get the value of AB as 3.5 meter now. Applying on the formula, we get. In question number 8, the legs of a right triangle are in the ratio of 3:4x. So because these sides are given in the ratio, so we will say let the sides be 3x and 4x. And area is given as 1014. Applying in on this, we get the value 1014 is equal to 6x square. X square value is equal to 1014 by 6. So x is equal to 13. So what is the length of AB? 3, that is 3x. So that why 3 into 13, 39 centimeter, and BC is equal to 4 into 13, 14 centimeter. Similarly, in question number 9, it is given that hypotenuse is equal to 1 meter and BC is equal to 80 centimeters. So we don't know the value of AB. So first of all, I will convert the unit into the same units. So this is in meter. I converted this into also in meter. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square value is equal to AC square minus BC square. So this is equal to 0.6. Now half into AB into BC, that is half into 0.6 into 0.4, that is equal to 0.24. And now cost of 1 meter square is given as 250, the cost of this is equal to 60. Now in question number 10, we have to find out the area of equilateral triangle. So different formula, area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 a square, and we have to put root 3 is equal to 1.73. So 1.73 side square means 18 into 18. Solving. In the second question, side is equal to 20 centimeter. Then again and in question number 11 also we are having area of equilateral triangle is given 16 root 3 centimeter square. So 16 root 3 is equal to root 3 by 4 side square. So what is the value of side square? 4 comes out in the above in the numerator. So 16 into root 3 by 4 by root 3 and root 3 will be eliminated. So 16 4 is 64. Side is equal to 8 centimeter. Similarly, in question number 12 also we can do like this only. Side is equal to 24 centimeter and this like 20.76. And here we have applied in 13 first Heron's formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C is equal to this. And then as you can see, I just applied S is equal to 21 and then putting the value of S and A, B, C in the formula. S is 21. A is 13, B is 14 and C is 15. So 21 into 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21. Then finding the square root we can find. Question number 14 to 24, no need to do children as we have to give the Google form examination. So no, not required for your examination purpose. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye.